Hello students, as I have already explained you about kinetic energy in previous video. So in this video, you will learn about change in state, that is interconversion of states of matter on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. In solid, molecules are closely packed, that is intermolecular force of attraction is maximum and intermolecular spaces are least. When a solid is heated, its internal kinetic energy increases and the particles started to vibrate at their mean position, due to which force of attraction between the molecules become weak and intermolecular spaces increase, which result change in state from solid to liquid. Thus, the heat needed to convert a tightly bound solid to a loosely bound liquid is called the latent heat of fusion. For example, melting. When solid substance, that is ice, gains heat energy, then it converts into liquid, that is water. Now, in liquid, molecules are loosely packed. Further on increasing temperature, the molecules gain more kinetic energy. Then what will happen? Then molecules escape from the surface. As the temperature increases, more the molecules escape from the surface, which result change in state from liquid to gaseous state. And the temperature at which liquid changes into vapor is called boiling point. Thus, the heat needed to convert a loosely bound liquid to a freely moving gas is called latent heat of vaporization. For example, vaporization. When liquid, that is water, gains heat energy, it converts into gaseous state, that is vapor. Difference between evaporation and vaporization. In both, liquid changes into gas. But in evaporation, the liquid changes into gas at temperature below boiling point. Whereas in vaporization, the liquid changes into gas at temperature above boiling point. Sublimation. It is the process due to which a solid directly changes into gaseous state on heating, and a gaseous state directly changes into solid state on cooling without changing into liquid state. The gaseous form of the solid is called sublime, and the solid obtained from the gaseous state on cooling is called sublimate. For example, when dry ice is kept at -78.5 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure, dry ice is converted into gas. This process is called sublimation. And when the gas so formed is trapped, the gas is accumulated to form dry ice again. Uses or importance of interconversion of matter. Gaseous state of water, that is steam, is used to run turbines and to generate electricity. When oxygen gas is liquefied or condensed, it results into liquid oxygen, which is used in artificial respiration. You all are familiar with LPG gas or liquefied petroleum gas, which is used for domestic cooking purpose. It is transported after liquefaction or condensation inside the cylinder. As it comes out of the cylinder, it changes its state from liquid to gaseous state. Naphthalene balls can sublime, that is, it directly changes from solid to gaseous state. It has insecticidal properties which keep the insects away from the woolen clothes.